Hi guys! For today's video, ang ipapakita namin sa inyo ay dispensing controller. Model Hanstar 983A. So guys, i-unbox na natin siya. May kasama siyang manual. And then, ito ang ating dispensing controller. Ito yung kanyang harap. Power shot, dispensing time, set time, interval, air pressure, vacuum. Yan guys. Hanstar dispensing controller 983A. Yan guys. And then ito yung kanyang likod. Yan. Air in, drips, foot switch, and then 220 vac fuse. So ito yung pinakailalim niya. Ayan siya guys. And then ito yung mga kasama niya. May kasama din siyang adapter assembly. And then, yung saksakan niya. Tapos, may kasama din siyang clear barrel. Ito yung clear barrel. Taper nozzle. May kasama din siyang mga plastic needle. Ayan. Ito po yung kasama niya. And then, ito. So, ito. Yan guys, yung mga kasama niya. Yan ang ating dispensing controller. Automatic liquid dispenser, glue dispenser, Hanstar 983A. Yan yung mga kasama niya. So guys. Yan guys. So guys, yan ang ating dispensing controller. So what is the use of dispensing controller 983A? The 983A dispensing controller, often branded as YDL-983A, LY-983A, or Pression 983A, is a pneumatic, semi-automatic digital fluid dispenser. It is designed to control the flow and precise volume of liquids and adhesives during manufacturing, assembly, or repair process. Yan guys. Yan guys. Yan ang ating Hanstar dispensing controller 983A. Guys, ang kanyang back. Ayan, may kasama siya. Ayan yung mga kasama ng ating dispensing controller. Kasama siyang adapter assembly, plastic needle, taper nozzle, and then clear barrel. Guys. Guys, ayun lang. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and TikTok account. Thank you.